Hello everyone, I'm Anthony Liu. Welcome to the lesson 14, Load Path, Exclusion Zones, and the Line of Fire Control. A safe lifter is not only about the cranes, slings, and signals, it is also about where people stand. Key sentence: never stand under the load. Stay out of the line of fire. The load and the green safe standing area out of the path. What is the load path? Content. The load path is the planned route the load will be travel. Here is the green line. Before lifting, where the load starts, start point here. Where the load will be travel is green line. Where the load will be landed is red square. Who may be exposed? What objects are nearby? Here you can see objects. If the load path is not clear, the lifter is not ready. Top view here diagram shows the standpoint to travel path, landing route. Why the load path must be clear? Here is the red area. A suspected load can create serious hazards. The load may swing, rotate, shift, drop, stroke a worker, hit equipment or structures. A load does not need to fall to injure someone. Suspended load swinging towards the worker with a red warning arose the safe distance maker. Never stand under suspended load. Here is the red area. Do not stand, work across, or work under the suspended load. Why? Rigging can fail. The load can shift. The hook or sling can move. The load can drop without warning. Escape times may be too short. And the load is never a safe place. Red danger zone directly under the suspended load. Workers stand in the green area. Here is the safe area outside. Set an exclusion zone. An exclusion keeps the people away from lifting area, red area. Use coins here, red. Barricade tape. Turn. Floor markings. Signs. Supporters. Clear verbal warnings. The exclusion zones protect the people before the hazard reaches them. Green and load inside the red dashes the exclusion zone. Workers outside the boundary. Stay out of the line of fire. The line of fire is a path where stored energy, movement, or force may travel. Here is the examples. Under the load, in the swing path, between the load and the wall, near pinch points, in front of a moving load, in the load moving suddenly, Ask, where will be for school? Load wall, workers between them shows as unsafe. Second workers outside the line of fire shows as safe. Second workers stand in the green safe area. Avoid pinch points and crash zone. Pinch points is placed where a person can cut between the two objects. Here is loading, load, and wall. Danger areas include load and wall, load and machine, between load and trailer, between sling and load, between load and ground. Never put your body where the load can trap it. Close-up signs show the load moving toward. Fix the objects with the workers outside safe positions. Check the landing zone before lowering. Before lowering the load, confirm landing area is clear. Here is a green square. Block is ready. Here is the block is a wood block. Hands and feet are in. Load is level. Load normally is leveling is better. Safety. Single person has control. No one in the crash zone. Most injuries happen when people get too close at the final placement. Load being lowered into the blocking. Here is blocking the wood block. Workers use the tool. Here is tagline from safe distance. Use the taglines from a safe distance. Tagline helps control the load, rotation, and swaying. Use the tagline to keep the hands away from the load. Control rotation. Reduce swaying. Guide the load. Keep works outside the danger zone. The tagline helps control the load, but the worker must stay out of the line of fire. Long load suspected. Workers holding tags line of outside. Red danger zone. Final roller. Clear the path before you lift. Before lifting, confirm. Is the load path clear? Is the exclusion zone set? Is the landing zone ready? Is everyone outside the danger zone? Is the signal person visible? Is stopped and stowed by everyone? Clear the path. Control the load. Protect the people. Pre-lift terms. Brief in with the top view, load path diagram, and checklist. Thank you for watching Lesson 14.